go in the middle. Hey.
She's all looking at the camera.
Just stay on there. Yeah, she stays on there. Most
Oh.
there's like a few. We normally she'll stay there for like 10, 15 minutes.
Over there. Go, come here. Come here, Shanel. Come here. Come here. Come here.
That's me.
That's not it. You're such a lazy dog. Good girl. Good girl. Look, what are you looking at? Incline.
Oh, look, she's tired already.
Go, Shanel, go! Go, baby, go!
Like sometimes if I'm doing something, like if I'm doing sit-ups or doing workout, then she'll stay.
Yeah.
Like 15 minutes.
The workout buddy.
I see, but there's leash, it's okay, you know. So just let him drag it. I don't even use it, I'll just drop it and he just follows me.
Watch out! Better pay attention. Okay, sorry guys. You can watch it all day. Watch you run.
But they're trying to get on there one time when it was going. You know.
Should I put Buster on right now?
No, it looks retarded. Like his front paws, they're this while his back paws.
Oh, you poor thing. Yeah, you're good. It's like my turn. Oh. Yeah, I gotta try that already. Come on, Shanel. Speed up, speed up, speed up.
Uh-oh.
I want you to go like a
Oh, she made it.
What are you doing? Touch my foot.
Can you go for a run?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Like a blur. Yeah, don't fart it.
Buster.
Yeah, so bad.
He's like, don't know me.
Good girl.
Run away.
Yeah, let's get out of here and do this thing.
You farted again, Buster.
You're Christine.